Yo guys, what is up? It is Panda, and today we've got a very fast tutorial. I'm going to be trying to go as fast as I can, but at the same time, I'm going to be going sort of slowly so that you can follow along. Well, you don't really have to follow along, but anyway. Today we are going to be looking at how to add a custom NPC into Skyrim. Now, this is going to be very basic. We're not going to be going over character models, how to make your own model, anything like that. So, basically, if you just want to add another NPC into the game, hostile or not, what you do is you click, you go to Steam, and basically, if you have downloaded the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim from Steam, you are in luck. If you download it legitimately, instead of clicking all games, go to Tools, and you will see Creation Kit right here. Now download that, and when you're ready to use it, double click. Bam! And it won't take long to download at all. So, now you will be greeted with this awesome menu. Now you're probably saying, oh god, let's check out all this stuff. Oh, why is there nothing there? That's because you need to load your Skyrim files. So you need to click File, Data, double click the little checkbox so it has an X on it, and hit OK. Now depending on what kind of computer you have, this will go at different speeds, but for me, my computer is pretty beast, and so it's almost done already. And now it's done, it's initializing all the files, and you will get a bunch of these warnings if it's the first time, and basically what you do is you click yes to all, and the warnings don't really mean anything. I'm not even sure why they're there, but you click yes to all on those, and in 1 second, slowing it down a bit because I'm recording, but my computer is good enough to handle that, so BAM! There you go. Now you've got all of the stuff from Skyrim at your fingertips. So to add a NPC, what you do is you click this expansion tab on actors, and then there will be another actor tab, and you're going to click that, and then you're going to click on this actual actor button after that, and you will see all of the different NPCs in Skyrim right here. The enemies and the friendlies and everything will be right there. What you do is you just right click on this list. It doesn't matter if it highlights one, and you click new. Now you need to come up with an ID for them. So my ID for my person is going to be mod I'll just make, okay, Panda Man. Oh wow, that was fail. I'm just gonna make, my name is Catwoman. Okay. Now that's what the Skyrim game will identify your PC as, or your NPC as, sorry. Now the name is what you will see when you're playing, so this is going to be, of course, Catwoman. And the short name is also going to be Catwoman. And what the short name is when other NPCs are referring to your NPC in conversation, this is what they will refer to them as. So, what you're going to do is check the unique box. And basically what this does is it makes your NPC a unique NPC, so I believe it cannot be spawned more than once. If you do not want that, then you can uncheck unique. Now, we're not going to bother with any of this for now because this is a very simple tutorial. And let's get going. So to pick your race, you're going to go to this traits tab and hit race. And you can go down to whatever you want. So I'm going to be a Khajiit race. And then I'm going to click the full box under preview. And it will give you a quick little preview of what it looks like. Now, these may look very strange because these are actually the models. These aren't actual working NPCs. So, for example, their limbs will be all splayed out. And for the Khajiit, their tails are straight out as well. So that's kind of weird. But anyway, you can also change what your skin looks like, and you can change them to females, which is what I am going to do. And that's, oh god, that's screwed up. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is you can change what your voice type is. Now I'm just going to have the default for the female Khajiit. And you can also change what their death items are, so when they die, I believe that is what they give you. Alright, so if you go to stats, you can change what all their stats are. You go to factions, you can drag in a faction from this object window into there, and that will be the faction that they are aligned with. If you go into relationships, you can drag in another NPC that they are in a relationship with. If you go to keywords, I'm not exactly sure what that does. AI data lets you change what mood they're in, so I'm going to make this person happy and unaggressive. And their combat style will be like a bear, I don't know. Now if you go to inventory, this is where you can change what they're wearing. Thank God. and you can put them into anything. And once you click on that, you're going to want to refresh your preview by clicking the full box again. And some of these are not actual outfits, they're just little meshes for the outfits, so they might not all work. I believe this one will not work as well. Yeah, that one just cuts her head off, which is beautiful. So you kind of got to do some looking around to find one that works. That one works. So that's the beggar outfit, but I want to choose a cooler one because I don't want my cat to be like poor. So, alright, this will be warlock outfit. I don't know what that is. That sounds scary. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so there you go. Now, if you want to add a weapon to their inventory, what you do is you click on your object window here, and you find whatever you want to give them. So, let's just go weapons, and you have to expand the weapons thing. And when you click on the weapons thing, it will show you all the weapons in Skyrim. Now, you can add anything that you want to these people. So, let's just go ahead and give her a Daedric bow, because I'm feeling nice. So you just drag it into that little box there, and now you can see on the preview they should have a Daedric bow. Now it's a little weird in the preview. I don't know if that is how it will be in the actual game, but just in case I will change that. And to delete something, you simply highlight it and press delete. I'll drag in a dagger instead because that's pretty, yeah, that's cool. So now she's got a dagger, and you can change the percentage of the health and all of that. Now that you're done with your basic Catwoman lady, you're going to click OK, and remember what the ID is. So for mine, it's mod Catwoman. I'm going to click OK. And then in the object window, I'm going to go back to where it says actors. I'm going to expand that, click on actors, and now I will simply scroll down to try and find the M's. There's the M's. I'm going to keep going down, or up, I guess. Hopefully you know your alphabet. There we go, mod Catwoman. There she is. She's right there. And now you're just going to highlight that and leave it so you can find it in a second easier. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your cell view box, and basically what this is all of the locations in Skyrim, all the chunks and locations in Skyrim. And what you can do is you can, I don't know if this is a search bar, is this? No, that's not a search bar. I wish it was a search bar. Anyway, you can go down to where you want, so I believe it will be like city first, and then where it is, and then, I don't know. But I'm going to put them in, I don't know. Let's just go Solitude at, I don't know. Let's see. The Winking Skeever, I guess. So you're gonna pick a location. I might actually change this. Let's actually put it somewhere else. Let's go to Riften, Elgrim's Elixirs, Bali's House, Blacksmith. Just trying to find a good spot. I'll just put them in the elixirs. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to double click, and it will come up with this. You're going to hit yes to all, and then if you get this, you're going to hit retry, and bam! Now in your render window, you are going to get a top-down view of wherever you just selected. Now, it's a little confusing at first to learn the controls, but basically with the mouse wheel, you zoom in and out. If you press shift, it becomes like a turning thing. You don't even have to click. That's just how it works. So I'm going to go like that. And if you press middle mouse button, you can pan. So basically, you can see where all the NPCs are located here, all the different stuff you can move. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on your NPC, whatever they are, and you're going to drag them in. And you're going to hit yes to all, and bam! Now your NPC is in this little house. So they're floating, but they'll fall down once you get there, I believe. So, yeah. that is how you do that. That's how you add an NPC into the world of Skyrim. If you right click, you can rotate them, and I think left click moves them down. I don't know. I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to break it. But now that she's in the world of Skyrim, you are going to hit File, Save, and it will come here by default, but if it's not, you want to go to wherever you installed Skyrim and then Data, and you're going to save this as whatever you want. So this is just going to be Catwoman. And bam. Now it's saved, and now this is in your Skyrim world, and just to prove that to you guys, I'm about to go into Skyrim, so be right back. Alright, so here we are at Elgrim's Elixirs, or whatever it's called. Yeah, Elgrim's Elixirs. And before we go in there, I just wanted to show you the armor that I'm wearing. This is a modded armor. It is the Mithril something. I don't know. And I also have a better hair mod on, because that's the regular hair for the females in Skyrim is just sad. Alright, so let's go ahead and head into Elgrim's Elixirs and see if our NPC made it safely. Catwoman, you made it. Catwoman! Yay. Okay, so you can also see that she is actually wearing the dagger that we made. So that was how to add a NPC into Skyrim using the creator tools. That's actually what Bethesda used to create the game. And I hope you enjoyed. This has been Panda. If you are going to use this tutorial, please leave a like. And if you want to see more tutorials of this kind, leave a like as well. So, thanks for watching, guys. Panda out.